Okay, when you have a website, okay, you want to draw traffic to your website. The more traffic you can draw to your website, the better, because you can monetize it by charging for advertisement and all the other things that we have discussed. All right. So one of the way to draw traffic to your website, of course, previously is I already given all of you permission to use my YouTube video, so you can embed them into your website, into your blog, and so forth. All right, no problem. Just what you say, put my reference there. All right, that's all. Okay, but there's another way to create a website and draw traffic to it. Okay, so I have my Google site here. All right, so this is my Google site, and this is one of the page inside my Google site. Okay, but if I scroll down, you will notice that I can show IP address. I have a tracker, right, for cryptocurrency, so you can see Bitcoin, Ethereums, and so forth. But I did not actually create this. See, this is created by uh, TradingView, right? And this one over here is powered by findip.net. Right. So how is this done? Well, this is all done by something called a widget, right? WIDGET. Okay. So along a lot of website, all right, have these widgets. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right. You just have to look for it. Okay, a lot of these websites have these so-called widgets that you can uh, legally put them into your website. Okay, some of them are by JavaScript, some of them by HTML code, so you need to try them out, right? So to see which one actually work. All right, so here is one of them that I found, which is the IP address lookup. All right, so they will give you instruction. For instance, in this case, basically they will give you the code, so I will just copy this code. Right, go to my Google site, and let's say I edit it. All right, so now I'm in the edition mode, and okay, maybe I will just insert by using an embed, just like what we did previously by embedding our PayPal into our Google site. So I will embed it by code and paste the code here. All right, and oh, I can see it. So if you can see it, means that there's a high chance of it of working. Right? If you can't see it, then maybe that particular widget is not compatible. Right? Then I just have to do a insert and publish. Okay, so all right, let me just test this one out. Let's say 133.210.55.206. Okay, supposed to be Malaysia. Okay, so let's say, let me go to my website again. Is this tools? Okay, tools. Okay, so let me just copy this. Oh, can't copy. 133.210.55.206. So 133.210. Okay, 55206. 55.206. And it's a bit slow. Okay, doesn't matter. All right, but at least these two actually work. Okay, this widget actually work, and this widget actually work, and there's a lot of them that you see that are actually working quite well. Okay, this one is running. Okay, but it's not getting the right answer, or maybe I type it wrongly. 13321055206. Okay, all right, so looks like this one is not working well. All right, but you get the idea about using widgets. Okay, you need to test them out definitely. All right, and they are actually legal. Right, but why would people come to your website to use the widget or look at the widget instead of going to the original website? Well, think of it like a hypermarket. Okay, if you group a lot of useful widget together, you become a one-stop shop. All right, so people can come to your website and get everything they need. Okay, so that is the whole idea behind using widgets. Okay, and of course it not only save you a lot of time, but it can also generate traffics. Okay, all right, of course if you can create your own widget, that will be even better, but that is a total different set of skill. All right, but for normal day-to-day user, all right, just being able to inject or embed widget into your website is already a good deal. All right, okay,